If you are looking for a way to turn your waste at home into compost, instead of just throwing it in the bin, well, then the iCompost Kitchen Composter may be the solution you have been waiting for. I was recently sent the iCompost Kitchen Composter to try out and see how easy and affordable it is to turn leftover items in the kitchen into usable compost at the touch of a button. Let's unbox the iCompost and see what is in the box. You get a thank you card for your purchase, an air filter refill, a QR code for the user guide, the iCompost machine, a bag of compost activator, and the user guide. Let's take a closer look at the machine. At the top you will find the lids with a power button and clean button. Pressing the large button opens the lid and you can see the 2-litre bucket with blades. At the side of the machine is where the air filter is inserted, and at the back is the condensation tray. The creators of iCompost found that people were looking for ways to avoid their food waste going to landfills. Having a compost heap at home doesn't look great, doesn't smell nice, and attracts flies. But with technology, these concerns can be eradicated. This is how the iCompost Kitchen Composter came about. A product that is easy to use and not that expensive to own, so that anyone can compost at home. We are now ready to turn waste into compost with the iCompost Kitchen Composter. Pressing the button on the top of the machine, the lid pops up and the bucket is removed. Now you need to fill the bucket with waste. I added some eggshells, avo skin, an apple core, a tea bag, and leftover coffee. The bucket is then returned to the machine. I then added in some compost activator and some water, which enables the machine to produce compost, as well as absorb odors. If you haven't plugged in the machine, now is a good time to do so. Now we are ready to start the process by pressing the power button. The machine will go through various cycles before the process is complete. These are the drying, grinding, cooling, and UV steps. In roughly 4 to 6 hours, you will have compost. The process is odorless thanks to the carbon filter system and doesn't even make much noise besides for a humming sound. At the end of the cycle, you are left with soil in the removable bin, which you can easily take with you to your garden. Once the machine has run through all the cycles, you have a dry, natural, and nutrient-rich soil amendment, which you can use for plants, lawns, and gardens. When it comes to cleaning, the process is easy. The bowl and blades can be cleaned in your dishwasher, or the self-clean option can be used. To run the machine, you are looking at using 0.7 kilowatts of energy, which costs around R1.30. The iCompost sells for 6,500 Rand, and you can buy a bag of compost activator for 60 Rand and replacement air filters for 100 Rand each. For more information, click the link in the description or visit www.icompost.co.za.